Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to GLOBO magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about the 5 niche ideas for your KDP low and no content book, and we're just going to talk also about the book cover and style and how you can also make your own low and no content book in that niche. So we're just going to talk about that. So if you're interested, then stick till the end, and also don't forget to hit the like button before going into the good part. And also guys, if you want the free KDP interior, then we have a bundle that contains the 5 free KDP interior that you can download right now and can start making your low and no content book from that. So link of that free KDP interior is in the description box below. You can download it completely for free. Now let's get straight into the video guys. Now talking about the KDP, now there are so many type of niches. There are so many niches. I'm going to talk about the 5 which I see that is quite popular. They can be too competitive, but you just need to sub niche down and pick up a topic, pick up a keyword that is not that competitive and so on. But they are quite in demand and very popular. So you can know that the demand is there, but you just need to sub niche down to actually see a keyword or actually target a keyword which is not that competitive. So the first niche idea is the blank line general, which are having the book cover as the simple black cover with a text base. That could be the text base related to the some motivation, related to some education, or can just be simple codes or anything like that. So this is a quite popular. So if you are completely new to the KDP and you are not into the designing, you don't know how to design a book cover, you don't know how to edit that, then probably going with this niche idea or this book cover idea is the best for you, because you don't need to do anything. You just need to have a black cover of your book and you just need to have a text over that black cover, and that could be a simple text or a simple code. You can just go into the Google it and can find the different codes which are not copyright and which are not trademark, and you can use them in your book cover as in the front page of the book cover. So that is an awesome idea. Of course, it's quite competitive. Many people are doing it because it's quite easy to replicate it. Like, you don't need to have any designing skills. And if you are the one who are targeting the right type of the keyword, and some niches down like line general for the girls at specific age group, for the women at the specific age group, or for the man of some kind of profession, then you would be getting the more sales, and it's quite easy to get started with that. The moving on to the second idea that I have for you is the floral. Now floral book cover, the floral niche is quite popular. You can have the line general, the blank generals, or even the gratitude general, the planners, the prayer general. There are so many different kinds of KDP low and no content book that have the book cover as a floral. You can even have a specific type of florals like the rose for some type of like if you are targeting for the Valentines, you can have a different kind of colored flowers on that. And you can target the various different kind of niches. Of course, it's quite competitive because you're gonna just go into the Amazon and see, we're going to see that so many book covers are having the floral design, so it's quite competitive. It's in great demand. So you just need to sub niche down and find a keyword that is not that competitive and which you can target that. And since it's in great demand, so you don't need to feel like it's not in demand and you won't be getting sales or anything. You need to have your own idea what kind of flower you're gonna have, what kind of like book cover you have. You can also use the free images from the Pixabay or to the Pexels or Unsplash. They have the free royalty-free images. You can download them, you can edit them and modify them and can use them in making your KDP book. Moving on to the third idea that I have is the texture, the gradient or the marble based book cover. It's quite competitive niche idea because it's so easy to have a gradient, it's so easy to have the textures, just the simple textures on the front of the book cover, and it's kind of like niche idea in which you can target the gratitude general, the planners, the line general, the blank general, the comic books. You can just do it whatever way you want to do it. Kinds of gradient, different kinds of colors like the marble, rose gold marble or the white marble, or you can have the textures like the blue black textures or pink textures. Like if you are catering to the female audience, then you can have the female based colors like the pink color or the red color or something like that. And if you're targeting for the male based audience, then you can have a gradient color that is quite related to the male. Or even if you're targeting the kids, then you can have very well according to it. It's quite competitive, you just need to sub-niche down. But again guys, all these ideas, all those niche ideas that I'm talking in this video are really awesome if you are using them in making your own low and no content book, and you're targeting the right type of keyword. You're definitely gonna get the sales, because these are the popular book covers and popular niches that people are actually purchasing onto the Amazon. The fourth design idea or the niche I have is the animal. Like the animal niches are quite popular, like the dog book cover general or the cat book cover general. You can have a fishing. Animals, people love pets, and you can target to that specific category and can have a book cover as the animal and can write the specific code related to the animal to motivate that particular audience you want to target. But it's again quite competitive, quite popular. You just need to sub-niche down and find the right type of keyword. Of course, there is a lot that goes into the researching. You need to research a little bit more before actually starting or before actually making a book, because if you don't know that this type of keyword is people actually looking for, it's not that competitive, then it would be very unlikely for you to get the sales. So it's better to do a little bit of the research. All these ideas have been researched by me, and I see that these type of book covers or these type of niches are selling well, even if you are making a low content book, or even if you are making a blank general, line general, a sketch book, or a dot grid general, or a graph paper, or a planner, or a normal kind of prayer general, gratitude general. Like all these type of design or book cover ideas, we're going to cater to all these things. But you just need to think a little bit out of the box and to create your own unique touch to these books. So that when actually someone is landing on your book, they're gonna see that, okay, this book is different from the rest of the book because of this thing, and I love this book and I want to purchase this. So you need to keep the customer avatar in your mind before actually making these books to get the more sales. If you're thinking that you're just gonna throw the 1,000 books and see which books is working and then you'll see or replicate it, then again guys, it's your choice. I would probably say to do a little bit of research before actually just going and digging the soil and finding the right kind of stone and all. The last one is the food or the fruit. People love food, everyone loves food, so you can have a different food items on your book cover or something like that niche. You can even have a food general, the meal planner, or a weekly planner or something like that based on the completely the food or the fitness category. But even if you are making a line general or a blank general, you can have a book cover as the food, like some specific food. You can either go with the junk foods, or even you can go with the fruits, the vegetable target. It's quite popular, it's quite competitive. People are actually looking for that, people are actually buying into it. So you're gonna get the sales. So going to the right keyword, do a little bit of the research. What you're putting in the 7 keyword slot is the most ultimate important thing. Like what is your title, your description, what is the keywords you're putting into the 7 slot box will going to determine how good will your book will going to rank onto the Amazon. Of course, there are so many parameters to get the more sales and to rank well onto the Amazon, but some of these parameters are these. And then the book cover, like the first of the thing that people actually land will going to see the book cover. If they feel related to your book cover, then they would be actually clicking on your book and then reading the title, the description, and then going into the what is behind, like what is inside the book pages, and we're going to read it, and then we're going to decide to purchase. So the first thing that attracts to someone is the book cover. So you need to have a quite attractive book cover that is not weird, but still like captivating the eyes of the viewer, eye of the purchaser or the buyer, so that they are more likely to click on your book and to buy more from you. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it, because this is the video that I was thinking of making for a very quite long time, but today I thought that let's just make it out. So I hope you really get some value out of it. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming related content. Take care guys, see you the next time. Bye.